What is up, you guys, and welcome back to my channel. Okay, so can you tell what inspired this look today? Because if you can't, I am so sorry. That is so unfortunate, but I will tell you. I recently went and saw the amazing and inspirational film Black Panther. Hello, what? Wakanda forever. Did you guys know that Safai is a Wakandian based name? Totally kidding. It's mind-blowing how amazing this movie is. If you have not yet seen this film, you need to stop everything you're doing right now. You need to go to your local movie theater and buy some tickets, watch it. Take your neighborhood, take your community with you too. Everybody needs to go watch this film. It is such an inspiring film. Like, it doesn't matter what background you come from, the film is inspiring. Like, point blank, there's nothing to it. Inspirational. That's just inspirational. Okay, so basically that is what inspired this entire look today. Wow, you guys. I mean, this is completely on the unwearable side. Well, you know what? This is one of the less wearable looks, but I'm so excited to bring this for you guys today. So if you guys are interested in seeing how to create this look, keep on watching. Let the games begin, and Wakanda forever. Let's get started. Are we the masterpiece of today, you guys? Let us jump into the details and get started on this other eye. Now, the first shade I'm taking is in the Cupcakes and Monsters palette by Zulu Beauty, and it is called Clover Club. I'm gonna go ahead and place Clover Club in my inner corner, and we're just gonna place this color down and also start blending it up and out to the side just a little bit. Now I'm just gonna add a little bit more of Clover Club to intensify this green. I'm gonna take the shade Sunflower from the Blossom palette. I'm just gonna pat this yellow right next to the green. I'm just gonna pat it and also spread it just a little bit. So now I'm carefully gonna start blending right between the yellow and the green. I'm just gonna carefully blend these two together. So now I'm gonna be taking this orange from the Zulu palette, and I'm gonna place this right next to the yellow. Oh wow, she is pigmented. The next shade I'm taking is called Bloody Mary from the Cupcakes and Monsters palette. I'm just going to place this red on the outer corner of my eye. And I'm also, you know, really extending this red. We're going to take this red up onto the temple and on the top of our cheekbones. So now I'm just going to intensify that red and bring it to the top of the end of my brow. So now I'm just taking a rather clean-ish brush that doesn't have too much product, and I'm just going to blend out these colors. So I'm just taking my waterproof eyeliner in the shade Dark Side from Anastasia Beverly Hills, and I'm just going to line my lower lash line and my waterline. I'll be taking the shade Oak from the Blossom palette. I'm just going to use Oak to start smoking out this lower lash line. It's time to take the shade Rosa from the Blossom palette. To go ahead and further intensify this black that we have going on, I'm just going to take Rosa and put this on my lower lash line. And I'm just going to blend that out with whatever is left on this brush. So it is definitely time to cut this crease. So I'm going to go ahead and use my MAC Pro Longwear Concealer in NC15, and I'm cutting above my natural crease. Now I'm just going to carry this cut all the way out. I'm not really going to swoop down. I'm kind of going to go straightish. So that is pretty much the shape for my cut crease. I'm just going to go ahead and fill all this in. So once we get to the end, I'm going to take my finger and blend out this edge right here. Taking the shade Aziza from the Saharan II Palette with a wet brush, I'm going to start packing Aziza onto my lid and filling up this entire cut crease that we've done. So right at the end here, I've taken the shade Bloody Mary from the Cupcakes and Monsters palette, and I'm just going to start blending in this outer edge. Alright you guys, for this eyeliner portion, I will be taking my Sigma Gel Eyeliner in the shade Wicked, which is black. So for this eyeliner portion, I'm going to start lining my eyes as I normally would. When you get to this outer edge, I'm going to angle my wing to meet the end of this cut crease. And now, I'm going to do a small wing. From here, I'm going to start tracing that outer tip of the cut crease. And slowly just continue bringing it in. So now I just have a little bit of that shade Rosa from the Blossom palette, which is black, and I'm just going in and blending out this eyeliner a little bit so we have a better transition. Time for the glitter, ladies and gentlemen. So I'm taking my Ben Nye glitter glue and some gold glitter. I'm gonna go ahead and just place this glitter down on my cut crease. Alright you guys, so now that this is done, the only thing I have left to do is do my mascara and lashes off camera. So for lashes today, I will be taking the Sirius Lashes by Safai, and we will be right back to go ahead and wrap up the rest of this look. We're back with the eyelashes on, so it is definitely time to go ahead and finish up the rest of this face. So the first thing I'm going to do, guys, we're switching things up a little bit. Of course I'm going to bronze. But I'm not taking my bae. I'm not taking Fulani. I'm going to go ahead and take this beauty right here. If you guys saw my last video, okay, you already know the deal. This is the shade Mahogany, and this is the new bronzer by ABH Cosmetics, okay? Let's go ahead and bronze. I'm a little excited because this is the first time I get to use it all over my face, because I only did it on one side. Okay. I like it. I'm liking. I don't know where my contour is. I've lost it and I'm not sure what to do. For contour today, I am going to be taking the shade Oak from the Blossom palette by Blush Tribe. I'm going to take this guy right here and just pop him in there and carve out some cheekbones. It's okay to be a little bit more dramatic with the contour, I guess, because this is maybe on your... I mean, honestly, you could probably wear these eyes out and just keep the red where it's supposed to be, but, you know, I got a little creative. It is time to put some color back into the face. So for blush today, I am going to stay in the Saharan II Palette by Juvia's Place, and I am taking the lovely shade Taza. Yeah, this one right here, this like burnt orange shade. We're gonna pop that on our cheeks. Yeah, I didn't want anything too red because I brought the red far down, you know, further than usual, and I didn't want it to just be red. It is time, ladies and gentlemen, to glow, and we are glowing to the gods today. We go up there every day. But I'm taking the Sugar Glow Kit from Anastasia Beverly Hills, and I want something very gold, so I'm gonna go ahead and take Marshmallow. Marshmallow. We're gonna take Marshmallow and just put this all over. This earring just keeps getting in my way. We're gonna put Marshmallow just all up, everywhere in the face. We're putting Marshmallow everywhere. Just gonna glow up right here. Oh, yes. So I'm just gonna go ahead and place Marshmallow on my Cupid's bow, on the tip of my nose, and in the bridge area. This look would not be complete without some tribal markings on my face, so I'm just gonna go ahead and do that now. So I'm taking this big bad boy right here that takes up like all the space in my screen. This is the Maron Paradise palette. I can get this thing to... Alright, here we go. Let's not make a mess. Look at this, guys. How fun are these colors? This makes me just want to do like straight up face paint all over my face. Okay, but not today. We are gonna do, I think I'm gonna take, ooh, I could take yellow. Oh my gosh, decisions. Okay, so I'm gonna take the yellow, the orange, and I'm gonna take the white. For these tribal markings, these dots that I'm about to place on my face, I did draw, what is going on? I did draw inspiration from the Princess of Wakanda and her war paint that she did in that scene. I'm not gonna, well listen, if you, spoiler alert, if you haven't seen it and don't want that image to be ruined for you, then stop watching now, but I'm just gonna go ahead and put this picture up so you guys can see where I drew inspiration for the placement. Right, so here we go. So I'm just gonna go ahead and start placing down these dots in a diagonal line. That looks cool. The struggle is how to get this perfect on the other side. Okay. Alright guys, so now I'm going to take that orange from the Saharan Paradise palette and I'm just going to go in between these dots on the outside. On the outside, but in between the dots. So I'm just going to do 3. Ooh, now I feel like I should do red. Alright guys, so now I'm going to go ahead and take the white from this palette, and you want to be careful. I'm not going to put this too close underneath my eyes where their creases are, because then it would just bleed into the creases and just leave a mess. So I'm going to take it further down. I'm looking straight ahead into my mirror and placing it directly under my pupils, which is further down. I think I like this a lot, so I'm just going to put 2 smaller dots right on top and right on bottom. Okay, so I'm going to do a trail of white dots above my eyebrow, because why not? Alright you guys, we got the dots on, so it's time to move on to lips. And for lips today, instead of using black, because I was really feeling like we should do black today, but I'm actually going to take a new product from, well, it's new to me, it's not new to them, but from the company Lipland. Their liquid lipstick in the shade Equinox, and it's not black, but it's probably a really deep brown. So we're just gonna do this. Wow, y'all, I did that today. Okay. And that wraps everything up for today's look. I want to thank you guys for watching this video. If you enjoyed the video, go ahead and give it a thumbs up for me, or feel free to just share the video. Let everybody know about this video. Drop some comments down below. Let me know what you think about this look, or if you've seen the movie. Hello, my fellow Wakandian. Go ahead and drop some comments down below. Let me know what you thought about the movie. I mean, you guys can probably tell, I for one loved the movie, enjoyed the movie, and I would definitely go watch it like 100 more times. That's just me though. For those of you who are still here and not yet subscribers, honestly, I don't even know why you're not subscribed yet, but this is your chance now to go ahead and give that subscribe button a click, join the family, let us be friends. There is room for all of you. There's more than enough room. And for all of my pre-existing subscribers, you guys always touch my heart. I love you guys so much. I'm gonna go ahead and invite you to click that bell button so you are notified every single time I upload a new video. I mean, does it get any better than that? For those of you that want to see me on other platforms, I do have an Instagram account, a Snapchat account, and a Twitter account. I'm on all of them, and I'll leave the links down below in my description box for you guys. But yeah, that is all that I have for you guys today. Once again, I do want to say that Black Panther. It was an amazing film, and it was just my pleasure bringing to you such a creative and inspiration look from that film. So that is all that I have for you guys today, and I will see you beautiful and amazing people in my next video. Bye you guys.